Amtrak revealed what their new single-decker long-distance passenger cars will look like. Most of them look good. However, one of them has a terrible interior. And if you've read the title of my video, you know what it is. It's the Sightsteer lounge car. And boy, is that interior so bad in my opinion. It looks so hard to get a good view out the window. Not because of the windows, not because it's a single-decker, but because of the seats. The seats are facing away from the window. You'll have to twist your body and your neck in order to get a good view. That's gonna be hard unless if you're that possessed girl from Exorcist. But it looks easy to look out of this window. The problem is that window is further away. You get a better view when you're closer to the window. Plus, another passenger could be blocking your view. Hey, could you quit staring at me? I'm not staring at you, I'm staring at the window. Well, stop it, it's creeping me out. Dude, this is my only chance to see the mountains. So let me get this straight. The Sightsteer lounge car, a passenger car that is meant for good views and passes through the mountains, is now providing a terrible view. What the heck were they thinking? Seriously, many of these long-distance Amtrak passengers live in flatlands like Illinois and never seen the mountains. And now they're passing through the most beautiful mountains in America. These passenger cars need better seats than this. The original Superliner Sightsteer lounge car was perfect. Absolutely perfect. One of the best passenger cars I've ever ridden on. Their seats were facing the opposite direction of this and provided a wonderful, fantastic view. Now, I understand why Amtrak isn't going to use seats like this again. It's because wheelchairs can't fit through them. Amtrak is trying to make their new trains more handicap accessible. But then again, you don't need seats like this in order to make them handicap accessible. They could do dining car style seats, or maybe coach style seats. And if those can't fit a wheelchair either, then get rid of a row. Yeah, one side can have one row of seats, while another side can have 2 rows of seats. Dome cars have coach style seats, and dining car style seats. The Rocky Mountaineer has coach style seats. And the Superliner Sightsteer lounge car also has dining car style seats. I really don't think it will be a bad idea to give it dining car style seats instead. I mean, these dining car style seats are not bad at all in my opinion. I've been on them multiple times. Like, even in the lounge car, like, I had a wonderful view from that seat. They have a much bigger table than that, and the Sightsteer lounge car sells snacks, so you're gonna need one anyway. I've seen passengers play games on these tables. Or maybe we could design a Sightsteer lounge car like this, where one row of seats is facing the window and another row of seats is like wide enough for one person and is like maybe a dining car like seats. Or maybe we can get rid of the seat here so we can put our legs down and sit forward. So Amtrak really needs to change the design of these seats in a way to give passengers good view and allow us to fit a wheelchair through. Maybe coach seats or dining car like seats. As for the other passenger cars, they look great in my opinion. The dining car looks great. The sleeping car, oh, you'll probably get a better view than the lounge car because of that bunk bed window there. The coach car, however, Amtrak could make the seats a softer and more squishy, but at least it reclines. The Simon's Venture car seats don't. Yeah, pulling a cushion forwards does not count as reclining.